Morning guys, we are going to be heading up to a local trail to try out my drone and go hang out with some cruiser heads, so see you when we get there.
So, like I was saying in the intro, on today's adventure, my friends and I decided to go mess around in the mountains on a local trail. But I have to emphasize the area that we went into was an easy trail, but more on that later. The day was a perfect day to go off roading. With a cool breeze and a slight overcast, it was the perfect place to try out my drone and see what she's capable of. With me on this trip was Robert from Wonder Off-Road and his wife in their 5th gen 4Runner, as well as our good friend Bayou in his green 80 series Land Cruiser pulling up in the rear. And doing most of the filming is the Skydio 2. It is a workhorse of a drone with probably the best tracking and obstacle avoidance software on the market, as well as the main purpose of this run. Our purpose for today was to get familiar with it and test it for future projects. And test it we did.
Robert, you're still seeing the drone, right?
Yes, actually, oh shit. Right by the tree as we're going to it.
Let's see what this guy's gonna do.
Big great obstacle for it to go through. Just trying to figure its way around this whole tree debacle. Go through. Oh, it found a way.
Life finds a way.
I'm thinking the same thing.
It was an overall success for the day, except for what happened after. Remember how I said this trail is supposed to be easy? So Robert wanted to make this more challenging by puncturing his radiator. With his rig down, we had to get to work. Bayou went back into town with Mrs. Wander to find the closest radiator that we could use for a swap. While Robert and I got to work on his rig so it'd be ready for when they arrived with the new radiator. We broke it down as much as we could, and then we waited. This was a good reminder to always travel with friends and always be prepared for the worst. But they eventually got back. With the radiator arriving with them, it was only a matter of finishing up the swap. And with 3 Toyota guys, it was an easy swap. With the swap completed and tested, we began cleaning up our mess. By the time we finished up packing, it was already getting late, but we all agreed we'd all be leaving together, and under our own power. Thank you for watching my video, but if you guys like it, Please like and subscribe. That's all I can ask.